Hello, my name is Michelle Lewis, and I'm going to talk about the summary of our research articles. I chose these four because I thought they highlighted our topic the most, but we did use some others as well. Our first main point article is entitled Self-Perception Changes Among Sports Camp Participants. It studies the idea that summer camp improves the confidence and self-image of the youth. It takes a group of socioeconomically less fortunate children who present with low self-image scores, and it uses positive affirmation and cognitive reconstruction through sports to improve self-image. Poor socioeconomic status is historically poisoning to confidence and self-image in children, but with the simple application of cognitive reconstructing through sports, it was improved. Article number 2, Rational Motive Behavior Therapy, or REBT, Irrational and Rational Beliefs, and the Mental Health of Athletes. REBT is explored as a way to improve mental health, self-image, and performance. It is the idea that unfortunate things will happen and in turn cause emotions, but that it is the way we perceive those situations that will affect you the most, irrationally versus rationally. For example, to perceive a loss of a championship, that you are worthless and a bad player, will ultimately not lead you to peak performance or growth. But if you perceive the loss as a minor setback, you can turn it into motivation to learn from your mistakes, improve upon them, and become a better player. This is studied in athletes as a way to build up self-image to improve mental health and performance. Article 3, Compassionate and Self-Image Goals as Interpersonal Maintenance Factors in Clinical Depression and Anxiety. It explores the idea that preservation of self-image leads to decreased prioritization of compassion for oneself and their close relationships. A study asking participants to consciously change the way they think about self-image preservation to be more compassionate about their goals. For example, instead of tearing oneself down negatively in the pursuit of losing weight by saying, "I'm so fat, I need to lose weight," to approach the topic positively stating, "I enjoy playing tennis. I plan to make more time to do the things I enjoy." By having compassionate goals, you will be less likely to bring that negative energy into a relationship and more likely to be successful, which in turn leads to decreased anxiety, depression, and improved self-image. Psychological skills usage and the competitive anxiety response as a function of skill level in rugby union, as our article number 4, is a study that compared and contrasted the mindset, stress level, and performance of elite and non-elite rugby players. Higher stress level correlated to better performance. Better self-image led to more self-affirmation for the elite athletes, allowing them to use their stress level as a positive attribute, which reaffirms what we have learned in this class about how changing the stress response is a pivotal part of achieving peak performance. Now I will go ahead and turn it over to Kristen, who will talk in more detail about our activity.